Hello. So today was day 7, July 17th, 2024, of built my dream job, which is building my own business. And it's specifically in the Montessori space, which I'm really interested in and I'm learning more about. I think that there's a lot of problems with our education system in the US, and I think that we can solve it. And I think Montessori's methods are better. So today I started off emailing a client or lead and meeting with the director of this program that awards me this sort of grant to do this work. And then I spent a lot of time today developing the landing page. A landing page is the first thing that customers see when they go to your website. And right now it's a locked login screen, or at least it was 24 hours ago. And I wanted to showcase what makes my software different, which is this AI photo recognition capability. That so it has 3 images of handwritten Montessori notes and like observations that a teacher or any site visitor can click on, and then it shows the updates translated from handwriting into like text that teachers can then click check to approve, and then on the far right is a little snapshot of my software, like the work ropes, which is the way that I'm kind of organizing a whole classroom's progress in a single subject. I call them work ropes and beads for each work and student together. And it's reflected in this triangle system that's specifically Montessori. So I just wanted to capture like the heart of my product in the landing page and in a sort of interactable way. So I'm doing a lot of stuff for the first time. I'm using this thing called Chakra UI, which I'm not proficient in, and ChatGPT is helping me code it a little bit. I want it to look clean. I want it to give the impression to a teacher like, whoa, like we need to talk with this guy. We need to get on a call to see if we could use this. And so yeah, I spent a lot of time doing that. I did my 10 calls as usual. So if you haven't watched one of my other videos, I have a goal to call 10 schools every day. It's just because I don't have a strong Montessori network. I don't have a single customer yet. I need to put myself out there. So I'm trying to call in a kind way. I try to be really concise. Try to like offer to call back if now is not a good time. I try to get to the point. And today I was a lot more direct, basically saying like, hey, I'm working with the school up in Boston. I'm trying to build them this software. So I'm telling them that up from the get-go, and then saying like, could you tell me about what really works about your system so I could improve mine? And this just again opens the door for me to learn if they do have a great system that's working for them, and I can learn what works best and what they're happy about, which is just good information for me. And then if they don't have anything great to say, then that's also good for me, because then I could be like, well, would you want to, alongside the school that I'm building this for, would you be interested in exploring if it would work for you? So that's where I currently am in like my development of this like first like 30 seconds of the calls. I think it's stronger than anything I've done yet, so that's good. Yeah, that's my current status. I to say what was different about the calls is the schools were all in Annapolis, so Maryland, which I'm considering going on this road trip with a friend across the country from Annapolis to Portland, and to justify going on this, because I think it'd be really, really fun. And I've never done it before. It'd just be cool to like see the Midwest. I've never been there. I've never been to any of the Dakotas or Chicago, or Portland for that matter. I want to see. I want to see that. So I want to visit schools along the way. So I'm calling ahead, trying to see. I think I got one. She can only meet Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So I'd have to time that. But yeah, that would be the first. And if I think I told myself 5. If I could get 5 across the country, that would be good. So fingers crossed that works. And I think I should be able to do it with I have about like a month or 4 weeks of runway before that. So yeah, today was day 7. It was good.